In this video, I'm going to show you a VBA code that's going to help you solve this problem. You auto-fit of rows and columns so you can see this employee ID, but then you have to drag it manually by yourself before you see the ID. You get it? I'm going to show you guys how you can fix that automatically on Excel using a simple line of codes. So now let's hop on the sheet here. You right click and then you move to view code. Good. And we are going to do the switch to worksheet because we are working on that sheet, not general. So what we are going to type is cells. We are going to work on both of them, both the cells and columns, both the rows and columns. So let's write the first line of code, cells dot enter. First is column dot auto fit. Good. That's the first line for the columns, and then same apply to the rows. It's very simple. Auto fit. Good, and we are good to go. So now let's close it. Let's close this as well. Put our cursor here. Fixed automatically. You get me? So now let's try to enter something here like employee ID. After pressing enter, it fits automatically. Same apply to the rows as well, but then I love using it for the rows alone, not for columns. You see the age is very small. Yeah, so that's it on how you can automatically adjust your rows and columns when you're typing on Excel. So if you're new here, give me a like, subscribe to the channel. Peace.